Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to enable the hand tracking on your Meta Quest 3. So at first, all you have to do is just check out this navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as the navigation bar is out, all you have to do is open your library. And as you open the library, scroll down where you can see this option, Use Hands in VR, and just click on it. As you click it, it teaches you how to use the hand. And all you have to do is just double tap your controller like this and put it in the ground. And from here guys, you can use the hands on your Meta Quest 3. So guys, that's how you enable the hand tracking on Meta Quest 3. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.